guys, my name is Patanjali Pandey from Salli Polytechnic College, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. As we know that the whole world are in pandemic situation for cause of COVID-19 or coronavirus. Also we can say that the whole world are in lockdown. All colleges, schools are closed. But as a student, me and my all batchmates are going to be depressed. And the reason is that how to complete our syllabus in this situation. But for the purpose of completing the syllabus, our college organized online classes in this situation. For explaining the chapters, they use online video conferencing apps like Zoom, Google Meet, GeoMeet, and etc. Also, they use Moodle app for giving and taking online assignments, tests, exam, and many more. And the most important thing is that our college is the first college in Jharkhand who has started online classes. With the help of virtual classes, we can easily learn all the topics, chapters, and completed all the syllabus just like real classes. Also, we are able to participate in different types of webinar for our extra knowledge through our college organization. Also, we are participated in an online competition like Hackathon 2020. Virtual labs are also happened in this competition.
Hello guys, I am Renu Kumari from Computer Science Department, Salli Polytechnic, Salli. As we all know, due to coronavirus, all the schools and colleges are off. So, our studies are not running in the institution. But our college, Salli Polytechnic, has taken teaching learning process through online platforms like Zoom Meeting, Google Classroom, Moodle, and virtual laboratories are also happening. So, I am very much thankful for the teachers from Salli Polytechnic who taking this kind and helpful initiative for our studies and exam preparation.
Hi everyone, my name is Kunal Singh. I am a student of Computer Science Department, Salli Polytechnic, Salli. As we all know that schools and colleges across the country are closed because of the global pandemic COVID-19, which has put a huge effect on our studies. But our college has taken a huge initiative to conduct online classes through various platforms like Zoom Meeting app or Moodle app. I am thankful to the faculty members of Salli Polytechnic for their thoughtfulness. Because of them, I am able to complete my course safely at home.
Hello friend, I am Tanisha Sharma of 4th SEM of CSE Department of Salli Polytechnic. As we know that epidemic situation has started on 23rd March due to COVID-19 in India. Only because of this, many students are facing lot of problems because schools and colleges are shut down. Considering has taken step of our online classes, which are very helpful for us. The teacher teach very easy and it's become easier also me and other student. We can learn and teach in many platforms like Moodle, Zoom Meeting, Google Classrooms, and virtual laboratories class are also happening. Our notes and assignments are provided in Moodle and classes are provided in Zoom Meeting app. We also have our weekly quiz on Moodle platform. So I would like to thank our principals and teaching staff of Salli Polytechnic which are supporting in COVID-19.
Hello everyone, this is Sudipta Mandal, student of Salli Polytechnic in branch of Computer Science and Engineering of 4th semester. As well as pandemic situation COVID-19 started in India from March. So my college principal organized online classes through Google Meet, Zoom and Moodle application. In that situation, the teaching method is very excellent and helpful to complete our syllabus. And our syllabus is almost completed. So I am very thankful our teachers for CSE department.
Hello everyone, this is Ayushi from Salli Polytechnic from CSE branch of 4th semester. As per we know that our world fight with coronavirus. In that situation, we face many difficulties. So as a student, I am very worried about my syllabus and my study, how it will be completed. So our college start online classes on Moodle platform, Zoom platform and Google Meet, etc. And these online classes is very helpful for us. And our college is the first institute which start online classes on Zoom platform. So for that, I am very thankful to our director sir, our principal sir, our faculty who trying to best for completing our syllabus, and our syllabus is almost completed. For in this lockdown, our college organized many webinar for our extra knowledge, and our midterm examination is also happen in this lockdown. So I thank you so much, director sir, principal sir, and our faculties. And and last but not the least, I want to say that I'm not feeling any difficulty in study due to coronavirus and lockdown. So thank you everyone, and stay home and stay safe.
And finally, I would like to thank all my teachers, principal sir, director sir for helping me and my all batchmates to complete this syllabus in this pandemic situation. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
With that being said, stay home, stay safe.
I said, be safe, stay home,
Stay home.